I just replaced this torque rod mount. Goes to the front of the engine, transmission, whichever you want to call it. I used an original frame, but you can see here I replaced this. Now, why did I do that? This I installed probably 2 years ago, but I noticed when I pull up to back into my driveway and I'm facing up a hill, when I put it in reverse and try to back in, the engine drops, or the transmission, either or, far enough that it impedes the steering in the steering rack, so I can hear a squeaking noise as I'm trying to back in. So for some reason the engine is dropping farther than it's supposed to, and when I inspected this, it was so crushed that I actually thought it was ripped, but it's actually not ripped. So what does that mean? Probably means one of the engine mounts that is not easily accessible is worn out, and I'm guessing there's one under on this side of the engine under the battery box. I looked at it as best I could without taking the battery box off, and I felt it, and it didn't seem like it was worn out, but whatever the case is, it's occurring. And when you open the hood and you shift on level ground between reverse and neutral drive, you can see a considerable amount of motion with the engine. So I just replaced this. I have, obviously, this frame for this torque mount was left over from a previous replacement, and I thought by using OEM I'd probably have a better, softer ride, I guess you could say. So I just took a test drive with this, and you can tell the difference. It's a little stiff when you go over bumps. However, it keeps the engine far enough away from dropping. And I'm going to stop, and I'm going to get in the car, and I'm going to demonstrate how the engine barely moves when I shift.